Okay, so in order to use PowerAim, there are a few things that you need to do first. So one of the first things you need to do, you have to make sure you have Python 3.9.0 and Arduino 1.8.19 both installed on your computer. And that's just gonna make it so that you're able to run the programs. So after you've done that, go into your Arduino folder. You can search that up by searching up Arduino here. You can see right click on it, open file location. That opens up this. Here you can right click where it says Arduino, click open file location. Once you're here, go to hardware, Arduino, AVR, and here there's a file called boards.txt. You can double click that, and then it should bring up this screen here. Now you're gonna want to go ahead and scroll down till you find Leonardo. Leonardo is right here, and as you can see, it's there are a lot of settings that you have to change, but you only change a few of them. So pretty much you have to spoof the PIDs and stuff, and the way you can do that is, well, before doing that, you have to name the Leonardo to HID-compliant mouse. Same with here, copy and paste this, HID compliant mouse. And once that's there, you're ready to begin the next stage of the spoofing process, which is going to your control panel. So open control panel. You can see here it's now open, and then what you're gonna want to do now is go to view devices and printers. It opens up this right here. Click devices, more devices and settings, and once you're here, pretty much you're just gonna want to so do you see this is the mouse right here? This is the mouse I'm using. And by the way, I forgot to say, you have to uninstall all your mouse software before using this. So all of it has to be uninstalled. All of your mouse software has to be uninstalled before using the program. So go ahead and right click on this, go to properties, hardware, go to properties, driver, details, hardware IDs. And then you can see what the hardware IDs are here. So I'm just gonna type those in. So the VID is 1532. So I'm gonna type 1532. 1532. And I'm just gonna copy and paste that to all the VIDs. There's also a VID down here, by the way. Make sure you don't forget that. And then the PID 00B7. It's gonna be different depending on what mouse you're using and what hardware you have. So make sure that you're not just copying down what I'm doing, and you're actually looking yourself at what your hardware IDs are. So yeah, and once you do this, you should be done with the spoofing. Now go ahead and you can see the mouse shows up as the mouse I'm using right now. So once you've done that, your mouse is spoofed. So now Valorant thinks your Arduino is your actual mouse. So after you've done that, you can go ahead and upload the Arduino, which is in the folder for PowerAim. You can see here, and arduino.ino. You open that up, and yeah. So pretty much, once you have it open, just go ahead and click the upload button up here. If it gives you an error, go to tools and make sure that you have the right COM port selected, and make sure that your board selected is HID compliant mouse. So if it still gives you an error, go to tools and then get board info, and make sure that it's the right VID and PID that was in your mouse software. So upload it, and once you upload it, it should be ready to use like the Arduino. The only thing you have to do next is there's a prerequisites.bat file. You're gonna want to go ahead and open that up, and because I already opened it, it says requirement already satisfied. If you don't already have it installed, it's gonna take a while to install. But once it's done, you can go ahead and press any key on your keyboard, and that just closes out of it. So yeah, and when you open this up, if it gives you an error, that means you messed up somewhere in your Python installation. So you're gonna want to go ahead and open the Python installation folder. Which is right here. My Python installation is right here. So if you messed up while using it, you're gonna want to go to add or remove programs, or actually it'll work better in control panel. Uninstall program, scroll down until you see Python, click on change, go to modify, and make sure that you have pip checked, and also add Python to environment variables. You need both of those checked, and then you can click install and it should work. So I hope that helped you set up PowerAim, and yeah.